Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is the current smartwatch that I'm rocking for the moment. And this is the Galaxy Watch S4. And one of the things that I like the most about this watch is just like the whole looks. I just love how it looks, and it's just like the whole integration with the Samsung software and how it just works with everything. And this platinum is just great. So you can have a watch that is going to help you to be your workout buddy. It's my agenda. In this case, I constantly be using the assistant to set alarms because I mostly forget everything. I use this for working out. It tracks my workouts. It tells me the weather. I can control my phone from different places, and I constantly tend to forget my phone in different places. So as I have the option to locate my phone, it will start ringing in different places. The change of straps is something that I like a lot. It's really comfortable in your hand, so that's one of the things that you can rock this over the whole day. With the battery, it's just great. So if you're looking for a great watch, it's just like a great option, and I liked it a lot. In this platinum color, it's just like stylish, versatile at the same time. As you can change the bands, it's just great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.